Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students grade 4, Amar, Akil, Hakim, and Said class. How do you do? All of you always in good condition? Alhamdulillah. Okay, see you again with Miss Listi today. And for this occasion, Miss Listi will teach you Mathematics Cambridge.
Before we start our lesson today, don't forget to say Basmalah together. For this section, we are going to learn about positive and negative numbers. For this meeting, we will understand about positive and negative numbers, comparing positive and negative numbers, and then colder and warmer temperature. Now, let's know about positive number. The definition of positive number is a number greater than 0. For example, 1, 2, 8, and others. And for the second, negative numbers. That is a number less than 0. For example, -1, -2, -7, and others. Do you get the point? In bahasa, positive number adalah angka yang lebih besar daripada 0. Ya. And negative number, a number yang lebih kecil daripada 0. Biasanya ciri-cirinya menggunakan minus, sign of minus, menggunakan tanda minus di depan angka tersebut. Do you get the point? Now, look at this number line. First, look at the blue line. The blue line, the example of positive number. If the character goes to the right, the number will be greater. And if it is in temperature, that is warmer. And now look at the red line. The red line is the example of negative numbers. The character goes to the left, so the number will be smaller. And if it is in temperature, that is colder. In bahasa, garis biru itu teman-teman adalah contoh dari positive number. Angka yang bergaris biru semakin ke kanan maka semakin greater. Dan dalam suhu, dalam temperatur semakin ke kanan angka maka dia akan semakin warmer. Atau semakin hangat. Yang red line, yang garis merah itu adalah contoh-contoh dari negative numbers. Angka semakin ke kiri maka it will be smaller, akan semakin kecil, dan dalam suhu, dalam temperatur it will be colder, akan semakin dingin. Do you get the point? Good. Now, observe the thermometer. Look at this picture, This is the example of thermometer. Look at the note. If, it is goes to the left, it means warmer. If it is goes to the left, it means colder. Jadi teman-teman, jika termometernya itu semakin ke atas atau dia angkanya ke kanan, maka suhunya akan semakin warmer. Kalau dia suhunya ke bawah menuju ke minus, atau ke kiri jika di gambar ini, maka dia akan semakin colder, lebih dingin, You have understand about positive and negative, right? Now, positive, number, greater than 0, lebih besar daripada 0. If negative, a number that is less than 0. So, the thermometer, show about that. So, we can conclude If the number goes to the right, it shows warmer temperature, and if the number goes to the left, it shows colder temperature. Do you get the point, everyone? Very good. Now solve the problem. I have a problem. Greater than or less than. Compare the number. Look at this. Minus 4, blah blah blah, 1. Greater than or less than? Yup. It is, less than. Because, semakin angka itu ke kiri menuju minus, maka angka itu semakin smaller. Kalau angkanya semakin ke kanan atau menuju positif, maka angkanya semakin greater. So the answer is less than. Now, the next example. Minus 7, blah blah blah, minus 9. Which one is greater or less than? Good. Minus 1 greater than minus 9. Because, semakin ke kanan, maka angka itu semakin besar. Semakin ke kiri, maka angkanya semakin kecil. Karena sama-sama minus. Coba nanti dilihat nomor lainnya. 7 sama 9. Mana yang menuju ke kanan? Lebih kanan yang mana? Karena lebih kanan yang minus 7, so minus 7 greater than minus 9. Is it easy to understand? Very good. Now, I have problem again. Look at this question. What temperature is 4 degrees colder than 1 degree Celsius? How to do it 4 degrees colder than 1 degree Celsius? To help you, you have to use number line. Remember, if the question colder than, kalau colder than, nanti lompat ke kiri. Kalau it is warmer than, lompatlah nanti ke kanan. How to do it? Look at this one. Look at this number line and the character. Because this is 4 degrees colder, goes to the left for 4 steps and start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the character now stand by on minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Do you get the point? Remember, if it is colder than, maka lompatlah ke kiri. Use the number line. If it is warmer than, lebih hangat daripada, let's jump to the right. Very good. Do you get the point, everyone? Very nice. Now, the other question. This is about warmer than. The question is, what temperature is 7 degrees warmer than minus 2 degrees Celsius? Remember, if it is warmer than, let's jump to the right for 7 jump. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, to help you, please use number line. Look at this number line, everyone. Because 7 degrees, so let's jump to the right for 7 jumps. So the character stand by on 5 degrees Celsius now. Is it easy? Let's start from minus 2 degrees Celsius, then jump to the right for 7 jumping. Okay? Do you understand? Good.